What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name's Julie. I like to do unboxings and all kinds of makeup stuff. Today, I'm still filming a little catch-up, trying to get back on track for the year. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing the IPSY Mystery Hair Bundle. I think this was from 2004 even, like the end of the year, but I still haven't even unboxed it, so let's get into it. So the first thing is this air styler. It is the Purified Dry and Style with Volume, the one-step hair styler. I do have the Shark Flex Style that I use all the time. I was hoping to get a hair straightener in the mystery bundle. I don't have a hair straightener. The one I had crapped out on me. And not that I straighten my hair very often, is these two hair care products. It is the Viore Sunset Rituals Conditioner and Shampoo. I do love trying new hair care products. This one, the shampoo smells amazing. It smells like a cologne almost. So I am interested to try these and see how these work. Then is the Gloss Me Hydrating Treatment Mask. I think I had like a little trial size one of these. So I am excited to have a full size one. I do love a gloss treatment and I've been really on this like shiny hair kick. I did actually just give myself an at-home gloss. It is the end of summer. We're really not in the pool so much. It's getting a little cold here for that. So I tried the Kristen S at-home hair gloss in Topaz, I believe. And I did kind of like an ombre style. I actually really like it. It came out beautiful and the price point was great. I think it was only like $13 to $15. Anyways, gloss treatment, love that. Then what actually they packed inside the little silver container is first the anti-makeup cleansing oil. Interesting, I thought this was a hair care bundle. I wonder why they put, oh well, okay, makeup remover, love that, can't get enough. Then is the breakdown makeup remover. So two makeup removers, interesting. Maybe because it was the end of the year, they're like getting rid of old stock, I'm not sure. But we got another makeup remover, can't get enough of that. I wonder if there'll be a third one. And then lastly is the truffle argan oil. I do love hair oil. That one smells pretty good. It smells a little powdery. I did just purchase this one off Amazon. This is the Perfect Serum from Miss and Scene. And this smells, I can't even begin to describe how amazing. This smells, it actually has the same fragrance as the Huda Beauty Baked Powder, which is like a very sweet, light floral. I'm gonna put a link for this below. You have to try this, regardless of the IPSY bundle. This product is phenomenal. That is what was in the Mystery Hair Bundle from IPSY. And if you like this content, please leave me a comment. Let me know what you wanna see next. I really would love to hear from you guys, and thank you so much for watching.